YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday night. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh boy. What did they do to the turtles? Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And today we have a special unboxing to do today. It is coming from, I think it's ABKUL wireless car charger. Whoa. This is going to be sweet. Look at this. And of course, you guys could get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Check them out and see what other goodies they have. Here we go. Let's clip on. Micro USB LED. Overcharge protection. Nice. So this would be great for all you Uber drivers, you Lyft drivers, your day-to-day bus drivers, truckers out there, pretty much anybody, bloggers, road bloggers, karaoke bloggers. Ooh, here we go. I brought my phone too. I'm gonna try it out, and we're gonna go in the car, see what this thing can do. There she is, fast charge. Got the harness, got the clip. Now, USB is down here. It's located at the end. Really nice clip. There you go, like that. Cool. Now, let's see what phones it can hold. Pretty sure all phones that are newer. Double check though. Add this to your Amazon wish list. Also, in case you give it some birthday present, somebody gift, Christmas, Santa Claus is coming. He needs to be checking his wish list. Doesn't really say in the instructions. Maybe on the box. What is compatible with? Not sure, but definitely probably the iPhone X's, Galaxy 9s, 9 Pluses. Here we go. Try this phone. Hopefully it can fit with the. Oh yes. Look at that. Holds the 9 Plus. This is my normal phone. I'm recording on the 9. I'm a little dirty. Oh boy. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Oops. Alright, we got this connected. And make sure you have it on NFC mode so I can charge. Should be easy to put in. Okay, let's see if I can get this right in the camera. Trying to figure out how you clip. Oh, push button, sweet. Oh, look at that. Nom 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 nom. Cool. Okay, there we go. Bam. Okay, we got that locked in. Make sure it's adjusted. Is it charging or is it? Maybe it needs to be charged. There's an LED indicator right there. Yep, I might have to charge it up. Alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are in the car. We got it all hooked up. We got an easy clamp on. All you gotta do is push that one. A little dirty right there. And it'll clip onto that, your vent. And you'll see the LED charge right there. Phone's a little dusty. But you could, hold on one sec. You can turn it 360, whatever, which way you want. But I like it this way, so we're going to keep it like this. So 70 degrees out. Midnight. Pretty hot. This is really nice. Has a nice grip. And this is the Galaxy 9 Plus. I'm sure it fits the iPhone X and up and down. So, really cool wireless charger. Easy to boom. And then bam. That's it. Pretty simple. Swivel. Everything's locked in. As you can see right there, the bolt is back on. And then it is nice and harnessed. So thank you guys for sending me this. And YouTubers, check them out. The link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good one. Be safe and have a good weekend.